In this unit, you're going to use English to suggest or to give a piece of advice. In order to do that, you are going to use these three words, must, should, and could, which are called modal auxiliary verbs. Must is to give a strong piece of advice. Meanwhile, should and could only to suggest and give a piece of advice. Don't add ing and ed suffixes to must, should, or could. For example, John must, should, or could go out is incorrect. John mustn't, shouldn't, couldn't go out is also incorrect. John mustn't, shouldn't, couldn't go out is also incorrect. When writing in a negative form, you don't need an next auxiliary verb. For example, don't or doesn't. I don't must go with you or she doesn't must go with you is an incorrect form. The correct form is to add the particle not to must, should, and could. In this way, we have mustn't, shouldn't, and couldn't. For example, he mustn't drive so fast, they shouldn't drive so fast, they couldn't drive so fast. When writing or using these three modal verbs, they have to be followed by a verb infinitive. What does it mean? Well, that you don't have to add particle to the verb. Must go, should talk, and could play, but not must to go, should to stay, or could to buy. These are wrong forms of using the verb infinitive. These are other expressions that you can use in order to express a piece of advice or to suggest. My belief is that you should. My belief is that you must. If I were, I don't recommend that. I advise you. My advice is, how about? Now it is time to practice.